Hey guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to use order form templates on Monday.com. So if you're on Monday.com and you need to use an order template, or if you want to use a board that is used for orders, follow this video and I'll tell you the steps that will be perfect for you to make a board that will follow on orders. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you do it, you will be redirected to this home page, and you can see there are the boards that I'm working on. The boards are here on the left corner as well. What you need to do is you have to click on more, and then you have to go to this template center. Once when you go here, you can see there are a lot of templates that can be used for a variety of things: service desk IT, social media planner, design weekly task. But what we are going to do, we're going to write order form here. Here you go. We have two order forms right here. We can use any one that we want. I'm going to go with this one. And you can see from the screenshot how informative this is and how amazing Monday.com has done for us to use this, because everything is there. We don't need to do anything of our own, just a small tweaks, and we'll be good to go. And the best thing about this template is that it integrates with your Google, Gmail, your Outlook, and your Teams and your Excel and your Google Drive, all these amazing system softwares that we use in day-to-day basis. So uh, streamline all relevant order information using customizable form. Share this easily with all stakeholders to track orders from initial request to final delivery. Here you go. Now this is the order form filled with most important questions: that how many orders the customer would like, the name of the customer, email, phone number, address. Address is for the delivery, email is for marketing, and name is also for client information. And we can share this form, it's shareable. We can share the link, and here is the main table of new orders and group titles. Here we can write the name of the order, quantity, name of the client, their email, their number, their address. Moving on, there's also the status of the order, that are we working on it or is it delivered? And one thing that we can change is we can write this as delivered orders. And then what we can do, we can move the orders that are delivered from here to here. So this seems more reasonable. And there's one more thing that we can do. We can use this amazing feature of automation. And what we can do in this automation is that when, let me just show you, when an order is changed from working on it to delivered, then we can move the order right here. So this is something that we can do with this amazing feature of automation. When status change to deliver, then notify someone. No, we don't want to notify. We want to move it. There must be an automation. We can search the automation from here. There will be, you can also add a custom automation. When status change to something, then move item to, here you go, deliver orders. That's it. So that's an amazing automation that we can create. Here you go. And we have created an amazing automation that's going to help us doing this. Here you go. So this is how amazing as it is. So I hope this video was informative. I'll see you with more.